Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to find old account on Spotify. If you want to find an old Spotify account, follow these easy steps. Open the Spotify app or website. Go to spotify.com or open the Spotify app on your device. Try logging in with known credentials. Now, click on Login. Enter your old email, username, or phone number, and try logging in. If you remember your password, log in directly. Use the Forgot Password option. If you can't log in, click Forgot Password on the login page, enter your email or username, then hit Send Link to receive a password reset link. Check your email for Spotify notifications. Search your inbox for past Spotify emails, for example, Welcome to Spotify, subscription receipts, or reset password. This can help confirm your account details. Try logging in with Facebook, Google, or Apple. If you link your account to Facebook, Google, or Apple, try logging in using those options. Check saved logins in your browser or password manager. If you save your Spotify credentials in Chrome, Edge, or a password manager, check for stored login details. Contact Spotify support for account recovery. If you still can't find your account, just visit Spotify support and submit a recovery request. Provide details like your email, username, or payment information to verify ownership. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.